Food is one of humanity's most fundamental connections to life, culture, and survival. But as the world changes, population growth, climate crises, and technological leaps, the way we produce, prepare, and consume food is evolving faster than ever before. Welcome to the future of food, where we explore what your plate might look like in 2050. Imagine biting into a juicy steak that never came from a cow, or savoring crispy chicken nuggets grown entirely in a lab. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality of cultured meat, also known as lab-grown or cell-based meat. By 2050, lab-grown meat could dominate menus worldwide. Using animal cells harvested painlessly, scientists grow muscle tissue in bioreactors, replicating the taste, texture, and nutritional profile of conventional meat without harming animals. This shift would drastically reduce environmental damage caused by industrial agriculture. Livestock accounts for nearly 15% of global greenhouse gases today, but lab-grown alternatives promise cleaner air, preserved forests, and healthier ecosystems, plus no ethical dilemmas about animal welfare. Traditional farming faces mounting challenges: shrinking arable land, water scarcity, and unpredictable weather patterns. Enter vertical farming, a revolutionary approach to agriculture that brings crops indoors. In these high-tech skyscrapers, crops thrive year-round under controlled conditions. Advanced algorithms optimize lighting, temperature, and humidity, ensuring maximum yield with minimal resources. Pesticides are unnecessary since pests can't enter these sterile environments. Vertical farms not only feed cities sustainably but also reconnect people with their food sources. Imagine plucking a ripe tomato straight off a rooftop garden minutes before dinner. Urban farming transforms concrete jungles into green oases, fostering community and resilience against supply chain disruptions. For many cultures around the world, eating insects has long been a nutritious tradition. By 2050, this practice may go mainstream globally as populations seek sustainable protein sources. Crickets, mealworms, and locusts require far less water, land, and feed than cattle or poultry, while providing comparable amounts of protein, vitamins, and minerals. Processed into powders or incorporated into familiar foods like pasta and chips, they're virtually unrecognizable yet packed with benefits. While some may still hesitate, clever marketing and culinary innovation will make edible insects irresistible. After all, if you love shrimp, why not try its distant cousin, the grasshopper? One-size-fits-all nutrition is becoming obsolete. Advances in genomics and AI enable hyper-personalized diets tailored to individual genetics, lifestyle, and health goals. Imagine waking up to a custom breakfast designed to boost your energy, support gut health, and prevent chronic diseases. Wearables track real-time biomarkers, adjusting recommendations throughout the day. No more guesswork, just optimal nourishment. Personalized nutrition empowers individuals to take control of their health, reducing risks of obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. It also opens doors for preventative medicine, addressing issues before symptoms arise. As technology advances, synthetic foods push boundaries beyond natural ingredients. Picture dairy-free milk brewed from yeast, eggs whipped from plant proteins, or sushi made from lab-cultured fish cells. These innovations aren't just about sustainability. They aim to replicate or even enhance flavors and textures. Thanks to molecular gastronomy, chefs craft experiences limited only by creativity. Why settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary? Synthetic foods challenge our perceptions of authenticity, proving that deliciousness doesn't need to come from nature alone, it can be engineered too. Not everyone will benefit equally from these advancements. High-tech solutions risk widening the gap between rich and poor unless equitable access becomes a priority. Ethical concerns loom large. Who owns the rights to life-altering technologies? Should corporations profit from basic human needs like food? These questions demand answers as we navigate uncharted territory. Ensuring fairness requires collaboration, from policymakers and scientists to farmers and consumers. Only then can we build a future where innovation serves everyone, not just the privileged few. The future of food is bright and complex. From lab-grown delicacies to insect-infused snacks, tomorrow's meals reflect humanity's ingenuity and adaptability. But they also remind us of our responsibilities: to protect the planet, nurture our bodies, and share abundance equitably. The choices we make today shape what's on our plates tomorrow. Whether through technology, tradition, or a blend of both, the future of food depends on us. So let's dream big and eat well.